Hello, autumn is on the way, very nice. And here are 3 ways to style our rain and shine box, which contains some incredible brassicas, which are actually ornamental cabbages. So we're going to start by filling the vase 1/3 full of room temperature water, and then pop in your roses, making sure there are no foliage or leaves below the vase neckline. These are our brassicas, which are really amazing, and you can carefully unfurl their petals. Limonium's going into the middle, which you can then weave towards the edge, and then some lovely aster here as well, which will stand upright in the centre using all of the other stems for support. Your gladioli will arrive a little more closed than this. This is definitely 3 or 4 days old. Put them in an even triangle in amongst the aster and limonium, and then finish off with your irises. Again, they will be more closed than that, but will pop open over a few days. There we have it. I love it. Okay, so now I'm moving on to how to arrange this bunch a little more asymmetrically. So this isn't an arrangement that's going to look perfect from all angles. It's going to look better from the front. And I'm starting off with my foliage to create a little bit of a nest. So I'm using my limonium first, and then my aster. And importantly, the fundamental is to trim all of your stems to varying lengths so that you get a bit more of an interesting shape. So I've got my roses and brassica at different lengths, interspersed kind of amongst each other. Then I'm going to put in my gladioli, which starts off looking like I'm putting it on the left, but actually I end up shifting it a little more across to the right, which we'll see at the ends. And then the S shape that I'm going for is then the bottom of the S is the iris, and then the other iris in the top right, and you'll see I've now got the gladioli on the right as well. So there we go, it looks cool from the front. Hope you love it. Okay, moving on to some bud vases, and I've got 2 different types of Freddie's Flowers bud vases here. I like to use 2 different types because it insists that you therefore trim your flowers to lots of different lengths, which is very important to create that little bit of interest. So I've got roses in a couple of them, I've got the aster, irises, which are now open. And then with the limonium, you can break off some of the lateral stems and pop those in as well. It's really, really pretty, and these look great dotted around your house or all across one table, whatever you fancy. So why not give it a go?